Hello, thanks for checking out Mr. Ware's video. So today we're looking at graphing lines from equations. So here you've got slope-intercept form where you got y is equal to mx plus b. We're going to take the slope and the y-intercept and learn how to graph the equations. Alright, so let's take a look at a few examples. So here I've got my first example here where I have y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 2. Okay, so I have the y-intercept, which is -2, so on the end, is where that b was, and the slope, which is 3 over 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is go back here and look at the y-intercept. It's -2. I go to the y-axis and see that it's 0, -2. You remember when I was talking about in a previous video, x and y-intercepts, where you cover up the x term? Well, to find the y-intercept, you can just plug in 0, cover up the 3 over 4, and what's left over? Y is equal to -2. So, but really, all you have to do is just look on the end when it's in slope-intercept form and put in -2. You see that it's -2 here. You go 0, -2 on the y-axis, plot that point, you're good to go. Alright, next you're going to look at the slope. The slope is 3 over 4, and you want to keep this in mind, rise over run. So, the numerator is the rise, and the denominator is the run. So you're going to have the rise, which goes up 3 units here, 1, 2, 3, from the previous point, from the point that you've already made. We'll go up 3 points, or 3 blocks, and then run to the right 4 units, okay? So because it's both positive, we're going up and to the right. Now if it was negative, you would go down and to the left on one of those, okay? And that's how you do it. Matter of fact, if you had 3 over 4 and they're both negative, you would go down 3 and then you would go over 4, and that spot would be right here, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So just pay close attention to what you're doing. Rise over run. The numerator is the up or down. The denominator is the left or right. Okay? Alright, let's take a look at a couple examples. Oh, one more thing. You got to draw a point. Draw a line straight through here between your 2 points. Last little step there. Let's look at a few more examples. Alright, here we're going to graph the line with an equation y is equal to 1/2 x plus 5. We got the y-intercept, which is 5. Okay, we put a point on the y-axis, 5, 0, 5. Alright, now we're going to look at the slope, which is 1 over 2. We're going to go up 1. Then go over 2 and make another point. Okay, and our last step, we're just going to plot that line just like that. Alright, let's take a look at one more example here. Alright, we've got +7. We go to the y-axis, go to 7. Okay, next we've got the slope, which is 1 over 3. So we go up 1, and then we go to the right 3 and make a point, and then just draw a line. And that's it. That is graphing a line when it's in slope-intercept form. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.